Alright, Michael, it's beat boot time. Man.
This is a weekly test of the north. North, latitude 58.3 west. Larry is moving toward the northwest near the...
There we go. Dumb. Oh. Strange. What the hell?
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Berks, Bucks,
On time
Carmen,
twice. On time.
Monroe,
Suck.
Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in subsequent exposure. The warning alarm tone will be here is the regional weather forecast.
Disgrace.
Reading and vicinity of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay, and in Maryland, Depot, including Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware rest of today.